What's going on, kid family? Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we are claiming our free stocks from a promotion that Webull was running about a month ago. So we partook in that promotion and now we are eligible to get free stocks. All right, let's see what we're gonna. I'm curious if this is gonna give me stocks all at once or if it's gonna give me individual stocks, but let's see. Here goes nothing. All right, our first stock, UBS, worth just about $11. Alright guys, so wrapped it up over here with the free shares. We're running around $370 of free stocks that we just were able to claim from Webull. So that is not bad at all. Those numbers worked out well. It was a great promotion. Guys, subscribe to this channel and I want you to use the links below to sign up to Robinhood or Webull. You guys get free stocks. You guys got to take advantage of all these offers that there are out there. Otherwise, you're just going to be sitting on the sidelines and watching people make money. Stay tuned. We will still have a trading cap recap for this week. So we'll see you on that one. Testing, 1, 2, 3. All right, guys. This is the weekly recap here. It was a short week for the most part. We weren't supposed to trade this week, but Wednesday we looked at our account and all our funds settled from last week. So very interesting to see the funds settle so quick. So we did trade on Wednesday. We brought in about $230 on Wednesday. We actually traded Hertz stock, the one that went declared bankruptcy, Chapter 11. We took a few trades on that on Wednesday. And then Friday we also traded. And on Friday we traded two kind of penny stock runners that were up over 100%. And I hate trading these. These are so risky, but at the same time, they ended up being so rewarding. So we on SNOA we made $300. We did two trades on SNOA, and then we saw ADAP kind of consolidating around the lows, being very bullish for a breakup. We entered there, we locked in $500. So just about $800 on Friday. Again, 250-ish on Wednesday, brings us to about $1,100 for the week, which is very good considering this week, half the week I wasn't trading, and those were quick trades. I wasn't like glued to the computer the whole week trading. So the account is doing good. I'll put a little screenshot right here. The account is really picking up some momentum. May has been an exceptional month for me so far, and too bad it's coming to an end. Anyway, that's pretty much it for the recap for this week. Keeping it nice and simple because I already got the free stocks. Again, roughly around $370 in free stocks from Webull. So make sure you guys join Webull. Sign up, man. You get 2 free stocks when you sign up and make a deposit. So the market's still crazy, and right now it's propelling up and up. It's chugging along, but it's so risky to buy here because there's a lot of gaps on the way down which need to get filled. They always get filled. So the question is, when are they going to fill? So we'll see. We'll play it by ear. Thanks for watching, guys. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold.